Hi guys, I'm just sitting here eating some green soup with really fucking bright light behind me. Oh my god, I cannot point to this. There, bright light. And I accomplished a lot of great things today. None of them involved leaving my apartment. And so I'm going to talk today about being a hermit, which is what I am. I inherited this disorder from my father. We were actually discussing the other day how if we haven't seen people in a while and someone comes and knocks at our doors, we'll actually hide. We'll get so frightened that we have to like go hide in the bathroom and like lock the bathroom door even though the front door is locked and no one can get in because we need that extra barrier of hiding from someone. I'm never getting rid of this cough, by the way. That's kind of permanent, so get used to it. Anyhow, so we'll hide in the bathroom and like turn off the lights and try to be really quiet because we feel like people like have their heads pressed up against the door and they're just listening to see if we're in there because I don't know, it's just frightening. And so that's what happens when you become a hermit. And going outside becomes really frightening. I only want to go outside in the middle of the night when everyone is asleep. Like if I have to go grocery shopping, I go to like Ghetto Super Walmart at 3 o'clock in the morning. And I don't have to deal with anyone, and it's great. And I think my roommate has helped me with this a bit because even though I won't leave my apartment for days, she's there too, so I actually see someone. So it's not that bad. I think it's healthier. I'm mentally healthy because I have a roommate. My dad, on the other hand, he's just like in fucking middle of nowhere in his house. He doesn't see anyone. Like, he lives by his family members and goes and hides when they knock on the door. And he's retired, so he'll just read all day. Fuck, I left my Facebook on. I keep doing that. And my phone. And look how popular I am even though I'm a hermit. Everyone wants to get a hold of me. So, yeah, that's basically... I don't think I'll ever leave my apartment again. I'm just going to talk to a webcam and pretend it makes me really social. And, oh, me and Kelly were supposed to film stuff tonight. You were finally going to meet Kelly, but then he just got off work at 8:30 at night. So we're doing it tomorrow, so maybe tomorrow I'll have, or probably like Saturday, have an actual real video. Okay, subscribe to me anyways. Even though it's lame, do it anyways. Okay, bye!